What's up, YouTube? It's Sneakerbox Corey, and we're back with another unboxing. Today, I have a very special unboxing. We are going to unbox not only the first purchase from StockX, but a very memorable purchase. And today, we're going to unbox the Kobe Bryant Protro Undefeated LA Lakers. So, I'm very impressed with StockX. I got the box. This box is in excellent condition. Not only that, but when I opened it up, nobody does this, not even Adidas, Nike, or anybody. Nice pillow cushion so the box that you ordered doesn't get ruined in transport. Big plus to StockX. So StockX is pretty easy. You just go on StockX, find the shoe that you want, hit purchase after you set up an account, and you get your shoe. So a lot of fakes get this sticker, but this sticker is not like the fake shoes. I've seen the sticker on fake shoes. It's nowhere even close. And then also on top of that, they give you an official receipt. I know that the fake ones aren't hard. They're paper. So let's dive into here. Let's pull this thing out. This shoe was retailed $180. I unfortunately was a little too late, and I ended up paying a lot for this shoe. I paid $600. I thought that this was one of the better ones because it had his number on the back. All right, so right off the bat, you see your Mamba emblem, and you have your Kobe Bryant signature. And then if you turn it, you'll have your size label. And then on the other side, you'll see a Nike emblem right here. And then inside the box, you have the shoes and your standard packing paper. So let's pull these things out, and then I'm going to show you guys some close-up details of the shoe. Wow. So right away, man, this shoe is definitely a head turner. So on your upper material, it's a shiny, I'm not really sure what this material is. It's like a shiny vinyl material with an iridescent shimmer to it. Right here you'll have your Nike check with a yellow outline with a gloss black inside. On your tongue you have the Undefeated logo on your upper tongue, and on the other tongue you'll have your Mamba emblem. On the inside of the one with the Mamba emblem you'll have Undefeated insole logo, and also included in these is your yellow laces, and on the shoe comes with a purple lace with a metal tip showing Nike on one lace and an iridescent shimmer to the silver Nike emblem. On your other tip it will say Undefeated with also an iridescent shimmer, as well as your yellow laces. They will also have the Nike and Undefeated logo on the tip of the laces with the iridescent glow or shimmer, however you want to call it. Yeah, so I mean, this shoe is just amazing. Underneath you're going to have your white bottom. You have a nice yellow to faded black emblem. Right here is almost like a carbon fiber material. It's kind of like, it looks like a dry carbon fiber with a gloss overcoat. And then you have your white midsole, which the way that it's structured and built, I don't feel like it's going to get too dirty. It's not really soft. It's more of a harder compound. The whole shoe is actually really, really hard. It's very hard to bend. I think that wearing this over time, you might see some creases. I'm not sure. You have your yellow sock liner. This shoe is made very well. The stitching that it does have is very tight and neat. Your tongue is pretty loose feeling, and inside the shoe feels really good. This shoe feels like it's very stable. I'm not able to wear these because this is a collector's item. I will not probably ever get to wear these shoes, so I do not know how they fit, nor do I know how they feel as far as walking. But as far as if you're buying the shoe to walk around in, I feel like it's got a lot of traction. I feel like honestly, you be able to play basketball in these shoes. I assume that this shoe was designed to play basketball because of the stiffness of the shoe. It's going to keep your ankles from rolling and so forth. And it's so heartbreaking to see those two numbers. So we're going to wrap it up. I wanted to just show you guys what I got. This is probably, like I said, one of the most memorable shoes I'm going to be adding to my collection. This is the Kobe Bryant Protro Undefeated Lakers version. If you're interested in buying it, there are a few pairs left on StockX. They are going up in price, so if you are going to buy, I would buy as soon as possible. And that's going to be it for today, and I appreciate your time. If there's anything or any questions that you have, please drop a comment below and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and we out.